Hello, welcome to one more video of Nintendo Switch repairs. I have one more Switch that it didn't turn on, it didn't charge. In principle, the USB port was defected, needed to be exchanged, and the video chip from the other side was defect. But when I exchange them, now I don't have any shorts on the main board. But when I connected the charger, let's see, the battery was connected, and I connected the charger. I was getting still 0 volts. Zero amperage in charging. Now, as you can see, it charges a little bit, and it has this weird pattern going on. Yeah, if you press the power button, it starts to turn on and then rapidly turns off. Or if you press it one more time, it shows the charging indicator that it's charging, but it doesn't turn on. Yeah, sometimes he shows this charging icon with the charger. And yeah, I was thinking about all kind of chip replacements and so on. But then I got one interesting idea. Yeah, before I told you that it didn't charge. It was showing some of the 01, 02 amperage charging, but it didn't do anything. So I connected external power supply to these points. And then charged it for something like 3 or 4 hours, and it showed that it charged 3000 milliampere hours. But yeah, now it shows the full battery symbol, but it doesn't turn on. And that brought me to an idea that maybe the battery is faulty. And I bought a new battery from AliExpress. It has a slightly longer cable. It's a little bit thinner. It seems a little bit thinner as the original one. But yeah, all the other parts should be okay. So let's try to hook it up and see what's going on now. So now with the new battery, if we connect the charger, it gets this 04 amps at the beginning, and then yes, then it jumps to the full amperage, and I can see from the screen that the screen turned it on. And as you can see, it turned on completely. So yeah, that's the interesting part. Why, or if you have an idea, it will be nice to get some inside thoughts from other community members. What could be wrong with this battery? It took the charging from external lithium-ion battery charger without any problems. It didn't get any errors. It charged for 2-3 hours, of course, at 1 amperage charging, so it's maybe a little bit long. I haven't left it for even longer. At the moment I disconnected it, it was 4.1 volts, and it was charging at 0.6, I think, amperage. Yeah, so but as we can see, something maybe the chip has some kind of additional checking procedure where he can identify that the battery is bad. Yeah, so that's one thing that I wanted to share. You need to have, in principle, if you want to repair it or check these switches, you do have to have a good working battery. With that, you could rule out the defected internal battery in the switch. So, and yeah, as I said before, if you have any ideas why or what happens and why this battery is defected, and it is fully charged, the switch indicates it as fully charged, but it doesn't start with this battery. With the new one, without any problems. With the old one, doesn't go. So yeah, thanks, and if you have any thoughts, please leave some comments. Thanks.